Hi everyone. So today in this video we'll learn how to add a reset filter button in a Tableau dashboard. So as you can see on my screen, I have this dashboard which has four filters: category, segment, subcategory, and ship mode. Right now, if I select something in these filters, and I want a button to be added on which if I click, all these filters should get reset. Then that kind of functionality today we'll see how to add in a Tableau dashboard. Okay, so let's start. To add a button, actually I will create a worksheet which I will use as a button in this dashboard. So for that, I have created a calculated field in which I have just added this text called as reset filters. Okay, so this is the first step. First you need to create a worksheet, and then in the worksheet you have to add a calculated field with the text. Then drag that calculated field under text mark. Once you do that, you can see this text is coming up over here. I will select entire view and alignment as center aligned. Okay, I will do a little bit of formatting. I will change the color of this worksheet so that that button will be properly visible. And I will go to the text, change the color of this text to white, make it bold, click apply. Okay, so our worksheet is ready to be used as a button. And one more thing I will do, I will remove tooltip. Okay. Now let's go back to the dashboard. To add a button, let's drag this worksheet which I created. Let me first rename it. Yeah. Now I will drag it in the dashboard. I will hide the title, do some resizing, and yeah. So now you can see it has been added as a worksheet, but now it will not work because I haven't added any action on it. So the second step is to add an action on this worksheet which I'm using as a reset filter button. So for that, go to the dashboard, go to action option, add action as a filter, and in the filter I have to select as the source sheet as reset, make it as single select, and in the target sheet I will select everything in the dashboard except the worksheet which I'm using as a button. And next is clearing the selection wheel. Here I will select the show all value option. So source sheet and target sheet, this is complete. Now the third step is you have to come under this filter section, select selected fields, and now what you have to do is you have to manually select all the filters that you have added in the dashboard. For example, I have these four filters, right? Category, segment, subcategory, and ship mode. So I have to manually add each of these under this filter section. Ship mode. Okay, so yeah, you can see I have selected all these four filters manually. Click OK. One last thing I will check is in the worksheet I shouldn't have any filters in the filter pane. So you can see there is no filters over here. Okay. Now to test the functionality of this button, let's go to the presentation mode. I will select something in a second. I will select something in the category, then in segment I will select consumer, uh, Subcategory is already pre-selected because it's relevant filters. And in ship mode, let me select first class and save it. Okay. Now ideally, if I click on this reset button, then all these filters should get cleared up. So let's see. So yeah, if you can see, I just clicked on it and all these filters are cleared, and you can see this all selected in all these 4 filters. Right. So this is how you can add a reset filter button. You can add even image. In this reset filter, I have used text. But you can also add an image on top of it so that it looks much better. But basically, this is how you can add a reset filter button in a Tableau dashboard. Let me know for any questions in the comment section, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.